Building with Papa. Okay, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up if you can. It really helps the channel. Alright, this is day 3. We're moving right along, and the concrete dried on the posts. Now we're going to finish attaching this end to the 4x4s. Okay, once we get this where we want it, and everything's screwed off, then we're going to cut these 4x4s down to the top of the 2x6s, making them flush. Okay, now we cut the 4x4s flush with the 2x6s. The Sawzall makes this nice, quick, and easy. Okay, now we're going to put in this support here in the center and attach it to the pylon. So there'll be a center runner attached at both ends. If you remember in the first video in the demolition, this ramp, the center runner was not attached at either end. It was just tied into all the planks. I could not believe it, but that's how they had it. We're going to support it much better. We'll put it in this cross member, tying it into the pillar, and then we'll put a hanger in the middle and we'll run that center support. Okay, we attached the joist hanger, and now we're putting in the center support. There's nothing to level here, you just measure center and go from one end to the other and screw it off. Once that's all screwed off, now we start cutting and laying the planks. We bring it up tight to the ones going across, and we just want to run this out quickly. They're all the same size. We just want to have the overlap consistent on both sides. Well, we're coming to the end of this walkway, so I measure to the end and see how many planks it'll take, and it's working out just perfect. All right, well, we're almost done with this walkway. I'm cutting the last pieces, and we're going to bring this up to that end and figure out how we're going to finish it off. I have an idea, but we'll see how it lays out once we put the planks down. Okay, we came up to the end here and it lines up right at the edge. I'm going to turn one up on its side to finish off the walkway. All right, now we just got to screw everything down. So we're going to go through here, get it all done, and start back up on the dock. We'll see how far we get today. Just want to get a couple of these other pieces cut because it's around the pylon, and see how this turns out. Having to notch it out so that it goes around the pylon, and it works out nicely. Well, we're just about finishing up for the day. Hope you liked the video. Continue to watch. This is coming together quite nicely. Give me a thumbs up if you can. All right, see you on the next one.